Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to Google Classroom supported by Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. This is your mathematics period and we go through the chapter 1 rational numbers. Our today's topic is rational numbers between two rational numbers. Last day we found the number line for the rational numbers. Last year in class 7 you have learned to find two or three rational numbers between the given rational numbers. Let us learn the same topic in detail. Children, how many natural numbers are there between 1 and 10? You know it very well. 8 numbers. That means 2 to 9. Is it? Then next, how many numbers are there between negative 4 and plus 3? That is between two integers. Certainly you will say there are 6 integers between negative 4 and plus 3. And they are negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1 and 2. That is a finite number of integers. Let us check the number of rational numbers between two rational numbers 3 by 10 and 7 by 10. At once we say in between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10 and 6 by 10. But look children, 3 by 10 can be written as 30 by 100 and 7 by 10 can be written as 70 by 100. So which all rational numbers will come in between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10? 31 by 100, 32 by 100, etc. up to 69 by 100, isn't it? Again we can write 3 by 10 as 300 by 1000 and 7 by 10 can be written as 700 by 1000. So we can write 301 by 1000, 302 by 1000 up to 699 by 1000 in between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10. So in between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10 we can write all these rational numbers. That means unlike natural numbers and integers, the number of rational numbers between two rational numbers is not definite. That means it is countless. Okay, it is not finite. So children, you remember we get countless rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. That is the main point today. Children, there are two methods to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Method 1 is making denominators same. Making the denominators same. That means we make the denominators of the given rational numbers same. Okay. Second method is finding the average. Finding the average. So we do the first method today. That is, using the first method we do the problems today. That means making the denominators same. We can do the problems now. Any three rational numbers between negative 2 and 0. Negative 2 we can write as negative 20 by 10 and 0 can be written as with the same denominator 10. We can write 0 as 0 by 10. In between these two rational numbers, we have to write three rational numbers. So here it is very clear that numerators are negative 20, here 0. In between negative 20 and 0, we can write negative 19, negative 18, etc. So here we make the denominators same and writing the required number of rational numbers. So here in between negative 20 by 10 we will write negative 19 by 10, negative 18 by 10 etc. up to negative 1 by 10. Then 0 by 10. From this group of rational numbers we write any 3. Okay. If it is asking 4 you write 4 rational numbers. If it is 5 you can write from this group 5 rational numbers. This is the method of making the same denominator. The first method. Okay. So we choose here 3 rational numbers as negative 19 by 10, negative 18 by 10, negative 11 by 10. So this is our first method making the denominators same. So next question, method 1 making denominators same. we do the problems using the method 1 today. We can do one more example now. Question is, find any 10 rational numbers between negative 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. Here you can observe the denominators are not same. What we do now? We have to make the denominator same. That means we will find the LCM of 6 and 8. Then we make the denominators as LCM of these numbers. First we do the LCM of 6 and 8. Do you remember the method to find the LCM? We write these two numbers and take the common factor. We will divide with the common factor 2 here. So 2 out of 6 3 times, 2 out of 8 4 times. Again we continue the steps to find LCM and we will get the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 24. Then first rational number was negative 5 by 6. To make this 6 to 24, what we have to do? Multiply with 4. So we multiply with 4 by 4 because what operation we do with the denominator must do with the numerator also. Okay, so negative 5 by 6 into 4 by 4 because 4 by 4 is 1. So actually we are multiplying here 1. So the value is not changing. Negative 5 into 4, negative 20. 6 into 4, 24. Next rational number was 5 by 8. So here to make 24, 8 into 3 is 24. So we multiply with 3 by 3. So instead of this 5 by 8, we got 15 by 24. That is, actually we have to find the rational numbers between negative 5 by 6 and 5 by 8. But we do the rational numbers between negative 20 by 24 and 15 by 24. Because now the denominators became same. Negative 20 by 24 and 15 by 24. So we write negative 19 by 24, negative 18 by 24, etc. up to 14 by 24. 14 by 24. Moving the number line to the right, we will get up to 14 by 24. We choose any 10 from this group and write the required answer. Okay, answer is negative 19 by 24, negative 18 by 24, then up to 5 by 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rational numbers we written as the answer. Understood? So this is the first method I discussed now. In the next class we can discuss the second method, that is using the average, finding the average. What was the first method? Making denominators same. So here you can see all the denominators are same, only varying the numerators. Okay. So children, study well. In the next class we can meet again. Till then, bye. Thank you.